Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, and if you are already a subscriber, thank you for being on my channel, and I hope I'm entertaining you guys and giving you the details you've subscribed my channel for. But anyway, today I have dates with the girls, and the date is at 3 to 4 p.m. but now it's just 1:19 p.m. so I want to start doing my makeup now. I really don't know how to do makeup, so that's why I want to start early, so that if I've made any mistakes, I'll be able to take my time to prepare the makeup, because I really want to take some nice pictures. Of course, I was not able to take pictures because these girls came 1 hour 30 minutes of me reaching there. We made plans to reach at 3, but these guys came at 5 and 4:30, which was so annoying. So I wasn't even to snap picture because I was very angry. So guys, see you in the location, or see you after my makeup, or should I do my makeup with you guys? No, I wouldn't, because I don't know how to do makeup. So see you guys when I'm done. Guys, I'm back. Oh my god, it took me, I don't know, more than an hour to make this quack makeup. Look, I started at 1, I don't remember, but now I'm done at 2. Oh my god. Professional makeup artist, I salute you guys. This is hard. I can't count how many times I did my brows and then I cleaned them off again, but this is what I finally get, and I'm going to go with it. For me, it's okay. Makeup might look so, I don't know, unprofessional, but I tried. I really tried a lot. I tried a lot. It took me a long time, but this is my final result, and I'm okay with it. I mean, if I get this from a professional makeup artist, I wouldn't pay for it. But anyway, I think this is enough for me to have nice pictures. So I'm just going to dress up now, because we're supposed to go at 3, because we want to come back before past curfew. So I'm going to dress up now and text them to see how far they are with being ready. Then we shall head to the location. Drinks are served. What's the name of your drink?
What is it called? Fleming Lamborghini.
You wish you had the Lamborghini.
I know.
Well, let me show you the name of one drink. You guys should. It's here. How can they name something like this? And then this. A slippery nipple. I can't even pronounce.
There's one drink I can get. I don't know which place it is. Where you go and they give you the containers are like this. Like I don't know which place it is.
You went there?
No, I've never been there. I saw it on someone's page.
Maybe that person was having a bachelorette.
What?
Bachelorette. Bachelorette party.
No, like it's a restaurant. I don't know which restaurant it is.
Give it a look.
Like the real chef is. It was a birthday yesterday for a hosting.
Mashed potato, rice. Let me call you someone. What's
Okay.
Came after we had finished eating. Hey, say hi.
Hello.
Put my hands on your body.
Yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit. That doesn't become bad.
Yes, it's not even bad. You for sweet. Smile. Any last words? Alright, we shall hang out again during Independence Day, right? Independence Day. Hey, Independence Day.
Maybe.
Okay guys, bye. My ride is here.